In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 3 on Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While The Sims 3 should run natively on modern computers, sometimes it has trouble starting up. And oftentimes, if you try to click play, nothing happens and you won't get the launcher or you won't get inside of the game. So in this video, I'm going to show you two methods if it doesn't work. But keep in mind that if you still haven't purchased the game and all you wanted to know is if the game would run flawlessly, then you don't have to worry. Just go over to the official website, choose your preferred platform, and then purchase the game. Keep in mind as well that the problems that this game has on Windows 11 have been fixed through the EA app. So if you have a modern computer and you still haven't purchased the game, I recommend purchasing it on the EA app. Instead, if you want it on Steam or the EA app or Origin, then you have to follow these instructions. For the first method, you will have to type all of this on a text document. You can find this script available on the EA forums. So as you can see, this person was also having issues getting the game to run, so they wrote this script. You can either look for this page here, so you can copy the script or type it out manually. So what you have to do is open Notepad, type all of this code manually, go to File, Save As, and this is important. You need to save this as TS3, so the sims3.ps1. And you need to make sure that you choose the type as all files. Make sure that you don't include .txt. It's very important that you set it to .ps1 and you change it to all files. Now save this document and run it. You will get a window like this one that tells you to launch The Sims 3. You must let this run on the background, so do not close it. Let this run. You can minimize it if you want to, and with this running on the background, you can go ahead and play. It should work for most computers. Alternatively, if you don't like this approach or it doesn't work, an alternative method is to right-click the taskbar, go to the Task Manager, and inside of the Task Manager, go into the Details tab. Now, I am not running The Sims 3 at the moment, but if you were, you would right-click the game and then go to Set Affinity. So pretend this Chrome detail here was the game. You would right click the Sims 3 launcher, so make sure that you let the launcher run and you don't click play. Go to Set Affinity, and in here you disable all processors. Make sure that only CPU 1 is ticked, and as long as you only enable CPU 1, you click OK and you run the game, then it should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 3 on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.